Hi students, this is 9th Max, Chapter 2, Real Numbers, Exercise 2.7, Question number 1. Rationalize the denominator. First subdivision, 1 by root 50. This is given. Rationalize the denominator. Denominator is in the curve only given. Okay, we should remove the curve. Then the number will become a rational number. Now it is this denominator root 50 is an irrational number. We should remove the curve. So first write 1 by root 50. That root 50 denominator can be written as 25 into 2. Root of 25 into 2. 25 is perfect square number. Therefore root of 25 is 5. So 5 into this denominator can be written as 5 into root 2. Here our irrational number is root 2. How to remove this root 2? Multiply this root 2 again with root 2. So in numerator also put one root 2. Now root 2 into root 2 is 2. Already 5 is there. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Numerator is root 2. Now 5 2s are 10. Root 2 divided by 10. Now denominator became as a rational number. Second question, second subdivision, 5 divided by 3 root 5. Here also we should rationalize the denominator. So this number 5 by 3 root 5, numerator 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5, because root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. 3 root 5 is in denominator. Now this root 5 get cancelled. Answer is root 5 by 3. Now denominator is a rational number. Third subdivision, root 75 divided by root 18. Root 75 can be written as one perfect square number, 25 into 3. 25 into 3. We should write in within the curve. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. That also within this curve. 25 is a perfect square number. Therefore square root of 25 is 5. Numerator is 5 root 3. Denominator is 9 is perfect square number. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 into root 2. Now root 2 is irrational number in denominator. Now multiply this root 2 with again with root 2. So numerator also write this same denominator root 2. 3 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. Numerator 5 into, write this root 3 into root 2 within a curve. Root of 3 into 2. So 5 into within curve 3 2s are 6. So 5 root 6 is, numerator is 5 root 6. Denominator is 3 2s are 6. So denominator became a rational number. Fourth subdivision, 3 root 5 divided by root 6. So 3 root 5 divided by root 6. This denominator is 1 root 6. There is no perfect square number. So multiply this root 6 again with root 6. Numerator also root 6. Multiply both numerator and denominator by root 6. Now denominator will become root 6 into root 6, 6. Numerator 3. Within curve 5 into 6. So 3 into 5 6 are 30 divided by 6. 3 1 time, 3 2 times. So root 30 by 2. So now denominator became a rational number. That's the first question. Now, second question. Now, from exercise 2.6, question number 2, rationalize the denominator and simplify. Question is first subdivision root 48 plus root 32 by root 27 minus root 18. First, we should write the given surds in shortest form, simplest form. 48, find prime factors for 48, 32, 27 and 18. By 2 table 12 times, again by 2 table 6 times, 2 table 3 times, 1 times. Here also 2 table 2 1 times, 6 times, 8 times, 4 times, 2 2s are again 2 1s are. Here 3 table 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Here 2 table. So this root 48 can be written as, for these two rows take 1 2, for these two take 1 2, this for these 3 2 3s take 1 3 out, for these 3 1 3. So this can be written as root 48 can be written as here 1 2, here 1 2, 2 2s are 4 root 3 plus root 32 can be written as here our 32, here 1 2, here 1 2, 2 2s are 4 root 2 divided by denominator root 27 can be written as 3 root 3 plus no. Here minus sign is there, so minus root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. In numerator 4 table is common. By taking 4 as common, so remaining terms root 3 plus root 2 divided by, in denominator 3 table is common, by taking 3 as common, remaining terms root 3 minus root 2. Now see the question, rationalize the denominator. So denominator is an irrational number, that is surd. Denominator is a surd. So we should change the surd into rational number. Surd is nothing but irrational number. So we should change the irrational number into rational number. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate. Conjugate surd means when a minus root b multiply with a minus a plus root b is multiplied with a minus root b. We should get a plus b into a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. Here root b is in place of b. So root b square. Now this square root, the square also get cancelled. Remaining terms a square minus b. Now this third become a rational number when we multiply this third with its conjugate. So this third become rational number means this term is called conjugate of this third, and these two are called conjugate to each other. Here what is the conjugate of root b plus a? We should change the sign for this term only. Minus root b plus a is conjugate for this term. So now here see the denominator root 3 minus root 2. So we should change the sign here. Plus means we should write minus, minus means we should write plus. That is conjugate conjugate for this term. So here conjugate is root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2. So in numerator also put the same terms. Like root 3 plus root 2. Now see the denominator, root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Since numerator is 4 into here root 3 plus root 2 whole power 1, root 3 plus root 2 whole power 1. That can be written as root 3 plus root 2 the whole square divided by denominator can be written as a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square is a formula. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. Now this square root square get cancelled, square root square get cancelled. Remaining terms in denominator 3 into here only 3 minus 2. In numerator 4 into this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So what is the identity for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is root 3 square plus 2ab 2 root 3 into root 2 plus b square root 2 whole square. Close the bracket. This bracket open bracket, this is close bracket. Now 4 into root 3 this square root and the square get cancelled. So simply 3 here plus 2 into here root 3 into root 2 means we can multiply. So 3 2 is 6. 2 root 6 plus here root square get cancelled 2. Denominator is 3 into 3 minus 2 is 1. Simplify the numerator. 4 into these two terms 3 plus 2 is natural number, so 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 3. That's all. This is answer for first question. Now, second question, second subdivision. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. 5 root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. So, multiply the divisor by its conjugate. Denominator's conjugate. Given number is 5 root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Its conjugate is, see the denominator root 3 plus 2 means its conjugate is root 3 minus root 2. So multiply the numerator also with this same term root 3 minus root 2. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So denominator is a square minus b square, that is root 3 square minus root 2 square. Numerator is 5 root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. So they are different terms. Here 5 root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. Denominator is root 3, the square get cancelled. So 3 is balanced. The square get cancelled minus 2. Numerator 2 multiplicative terms are there. So multiply this by this, this by this, and this by this. So first multiply 5 root 3 into root 3. We will get 5 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now 5 into root 3 minus root 2. So this plus into minus, minus 5 root 3 into root 2 is root 3 into root 2. Now plus into plus plus root 2 into root 3, root 2 into root 3 plus into minus, minus root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 divided by this denominator. Now simplify. 5 3s are 15. Denominator is 3 minus 2, 1. So numerator is 5 3s are 15 minus 5 into root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So minus 5 into root 6 plus root 2 into root 3 root 6 plus root 6. Here root 2 into root 2 is 2. So minus 2. Now simplify 50 minus 2. So 13. Here minus 5 root 6 plus 1 root 6. That understood. Here 1 root 6. 1 root 6. These are like this. So we can simplify like minus 5 root 6 plus 1 root 6. These are sign changes means put a greater number sign and subtract. So subtract 5 root 6 minus 1 root 6 is minus, greater number is minus 4 root 6. Divided by 1 means no need to write. So this is our answer. Now question number 2, fourth subdivision. Rationalize the denominator and simplify root 5 by root 6 plus 2 minus root 5 by root 6 minus 2. So here two terms are there. First take root 5 by root 6 plus 2 into multiply this term by its conjugate. So denominator's conjugate is root 6 minus 2. Multiply the numerator also with the same term. So root 6 minus 2 minus this term root 5 by root 6 minus 2 into here also conjugate is root 6 plus 2. Numerator the same term root 6 plus 2. So here denominator is a plus b into a minus b. So answer is a square minus b square. A square is root 6 square minus b square is 2. So 2 square. Numerator root 5 into root 6 minus 2. This minus. Here denominator root 6 minus 2 into root 6 plus 2 means a minus b into a plus b. So answer is a square minus b square. Root 6 square minus 2 square. Numerator 5 into root 5 into root 6 plus 2. Denominator is here square root square get cancel. So denominator is 6. Here 2 square is 4. Numerator multiply root 5 into root 6 is take common root, multiply 5 6 are 30. Here this multiplication over. Now multiply this root 5 with minus 2. So minus 2 root 5. Because this is whole number, this is third. So when we multiply a whole number with third means 2 root 5 is answer. Here both are thirds. here denominator is square get cancelled, so 6 minus 4. Numerator multiply root 5 into root 6 is root 5 6 are 30 plus 2 root 5. Now denominator is 6 minus 4 is 2. 2. What about numerator? Root 30 minus root 2 root 5 minus here denominator is 2, numerator root 30 plus 2 root 5. Now these are two terms, denominator is common, so take common denominator as 2. Now simplify the numerators. Root 30 minus 2 root 5. Here this minus is common for these two terms. Therefore multiply these two terms by a minus. So this term become minus root 30. This term become minus into plus minus 2 root 5. Now root 30 get cancelled. Plus root 30 minus root 30 get cancelled. Here minus 2 root 5. Here also minus 2 root 5. They are like surds, like signs also. So added to the same sign. 2 root 5, 2 root 5, totally 4 root 5. Minus 4 root 5 divided by 2. Now this cancel by 2 table, 2 1 times, 2 2s are. So minus 2 root 5 is answer for this fourth subdivision. Students, copy down these workout sums in your classwork notebooks, and homework sum is second question, third subdivision.